So what is the difference between object-oriented programming and procedural programming? Well, first you have to realize that object-oriented programming looks at a computer program entirely differently from the way procedural programming does. Object-oriented programming focuses more on the object and the specific task each object is created in order to solve or complete. It's not necessarily focused on the other pieces. It's worried more about itself. And objects are very carefully created in order to make sure that they are functioning properly. Now, the same way you have a band with a guitarist and a drummer and a bassist and a singer, the drummer is not going to focus on what the guitarist is actually studying and its piece to the music. What it's focused on is becoming the best possible object it can be so that when it finally does communicate with the other objects, that it can create something beautiful and make a song that actually makes sense. Now, with that, in object-oriented programming, the object takes so much focus and is not necessarily focused on a set of instructions or steps to follow. So that's the biggest difference between object-oriented programming and procedural programming.